Hi everybody, this is week 8 and this is lecture 2, Thursday. Okay, so in this lecture, I want to show to you a sample question. And this sample question is related to topic, I think topic number 2. This is about life cycle costing. Okay, let's see this sample question. Matt Simpson owns and operates Quality Craft Rentals, which offers canoe rentals and shuttle service on the Nantahala River. Customers can rent canoes at one station, enter the river there, and exit at one of two designated locations to catch a shuttle that returns them to their vehicle at the station they entered. Following are costs involved in providing this service each year. So you can see here these are the costs. Canoe maintenance, 2,300 fixed cost and 2,300 fixed cost per year, and $2.50 variable cost for each service. For each rental service. And then the second cost is licenses and permits, 3,000 per year, and then vehicle leases, 5,400 per year, station lease, 6,920 per year, advertising, 6,000 per year, plus 50 cent per rental. And then operating cost 21,000 per year plus 50 cent per rental. Okay, Quality Craft Rentals began business with 25,000 expenditure for a fleet of 30 canoes. Okay, this one is important. This business began its operation with a 25,000 expenditure. So it means that the owner of the business invested 25,000 to start the rental business of 30 canoes. So the asset, when the business started, the business has $25,000 asset. Maybe in terms of equipments, the canoes, the cash, etc. But the asset when the business is started is 25,000. These are expected to last 10 more years, at which time a new fleet must be purchased. Rentals have been stable at about 6,400 per year. So the business can rent canoes 6,400 times per year. So their customers go there and rent the canoes, etc. Okay, here required. Matt is happy with the steady rental average of 6,400 per year. For this number of rentals, what price should he charge per rental for the business to make an annual 20% before tax return? Before tax return on asset using life cycle cost. See, this is about life cycle cost. Okay, so see how to answer this question. The most important thing is, see here, this you can see a list of costs. This cost contains fixed cost and variable cost, and then see here the target is what price should be charged per rental for the business to make an annual 20% before tax return on asset. So 20% return on asset remember I told you the business started with $25,000 asset. So the business wants profit to be 20% on that asset. So 20% times 25,000 is equal to 5,000 profit. So that's is the thing. Okay, let's see. The answer is $11.25. How to calculate the answer? So let's see here. So to answer this question, see here you have, these are the things that you have to do. These are the steps. First, you calculate the total cost. The total cost for this rental business. So the total cost is equal to total fixed cost plus total variable cost. So let's see here, the first item here. The total fixed cost, you can see how to calculate the total fixed cost. You look at the list of the cost. You add you add all the fixed costs. So the first fixed cost is 2,300 plus 3,000 plus 5,400 plus 6,920 plus 6,000 plus 21,000. I will share with you the soft copy of this question. Okay, so you added all, you add all these fixed costs. You will see that the total fixed cost is equal to 44,620. Okay, and then you calculate the total variable cost. Total variable cost equal to $2.50 plus 50 cents plus 50 cents. So total variable cost per rental is $3.50. The total fixed cost is for 1 year. The total variable cost per rental is $3.50 per rental of Keno. So how much is total variable cost per year? So to calculate the total variable cost per year, you have to do this. $3.50 unit variable cost times 6,400 rentals for 1 year. So the total variable cost for 1 year is $22,400. So that is the item number 3 in the steps here. After that, after you have calculated the total fixed cost and total variable cost, then you can calculate the total or the life cycle cost for this business for 1 year. So the life cycle cost is total fixed cost plus total variable cost. The total fixed cost is 44,620 and the total variable cost is 22,400. So the total cost or the life cycle cost for 1 year is $67,020. Okay, that is one thing. Now you know the life cycle cost or the total cost for 1 year. And then you calculate the pre-tax profit. The pre-tax profit that the business wants is 20% of the asset. So the invested assets is 25,000 times 20%. The target pre-tax profit is 5,000. So that 5,000 is the markup. It means that the business wants 5,000 profit. So the things is in 1 year, the business has to pay $67,020 cost plus the business want the profit or markup is 5,000. So see here, the markup is 5,000 over 67,020. That is the cost. So given the number, the amount of the revenues the business has to generate in order to get $5,000 profit is $67,020. times 1.074605. The 74605 is the markup. So the life cycle revenues that the business has to get in 1 year is $70,020. I think this is easy actually. The life cycle revenue can be calculated like this: 67,020 plus the 5,000 target profit. So you will get the life cycle revenue 672,020. So that is the life cycle revenue. So how much is the price per rental? So the price per rental is $70,020 divided by the 6,400 rental per year. So the price per rental that the business should charge is $11.25. Okay, this is very straightforward. So you can see the calculation is like this. First, you have to calculate the total cost or life cycle cost. In this question, the life cycle cost is total variable cost, total fixed cost plus total variable cost. So the total life cycle cost is 67,020. And then you calculate the target profit. In this question, the target profit is $5,000. So when you got these two numbers, you know that the revenue that has to be achieved to get that profit is $67,020 plus 5,000, because profit is equal to revenue minus cost. So revenue is equal to cost plus profit. So after you got the life cycle revenue, you divide the life cycle revenue with the number of rental. In this question, number of rental per year. So you know now the price per rental that should be charged to the customer. Okay, that's it. This is a sample question related to life cycle costing. I want to share with you several sample question before the mid-semester test. So I hope it helps you to know to understand the thing that you have learned. I think you still have the e-textbook for ACT 3132 that you have purchased last semester. So you use that textbook. If you don't have the textbook for this semester, you use the ACT 3132 e-connect e-textbook. You do all the exercise and sample questions there. So I hope you can. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much. Do not forget to write your name and matric number in the comment section. That is your attendance for today. Thank you very much.